the cheddar bacon burgers. Got the bourbon salmon.
Freaking kimchi Mexican style right now.
And then you can just share the sausages with everybody.
Serve Cooker, like and subscribe.
Yo, Surf Cooker.
Ignoring those lips,
Yo, Max.
Implacable.
Sick. The sesh.
Fun sesh with the boys. It took me forever to get my last wave, but finally got it. It's pretty fun. Got Walter here. I'm so out of breath. It was way bigger than I thought it was going to be, but nice sesh. This sesh with the boys.
Yeah. What is that? The pre-sesh meal? What do we got?
Yeah.
Sour cream and onion? Oh, you gotta switch that up to salt and vinegar. Alright boys, big grill night. Got the cheddar bacon burgers, got the bourbon salmon, got these hot Italian sausages, kebabs. Ew! Gonna put some Everglades on these burgers here. Shout out to Deer Meat for Dinner, one of my favorite YouTube channels. Guy's a savage.
Look at the wrist.
Maybe put a little more on the kebabs. Shout out Deer Meat for Dinner, Everglades seasoning. Shit's gas. Ew!
Oh no, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Yeah.
That is sketchy.
I'll eat it.
Yeah.
Max Cooker.
Max Cooker. Got fresh from the garden. Cherry tomatoes, Anaheim peppers, some other peppers, some olive oil.
Lighting situation and stuff, but you get the point.
Yeah, here, I can bring it into the light.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Look at that.
I got a lot of shit running.
Oh, sauteed veggies.
Dude, it's so good. Gonna throw it in with the rice.
Yeah, that's gonna be. All right, so I personally think one of my favorite ways to have sausage is, see how this is full? I'm just gonna cut it into thin little slices when it's on the grill here. Let it sit on the grill. And then you can just share the sausages with everybody. Good, easy way. Share the sausages with the boys. Sounds like a nice appetizer. Yeah. Man, that smells so good. If you could smell this through the camera, oh my god. A lot of my buddies, when I lived in Australia, this is how a lot of my buddies would do sausage, so picked it up from there. Guys, that's gonna get a nice char on both sides now that it's smaller. Even in the middle. That's why I like it, because I feel like it really cooks it all the way through. You want that crisp on there. Oh, it's awesome. Hell yeah.
Yeah, boys.
Alright guys, we got the final product. Kebabs, nice and grilled. Salmon looks gas. These bacon cheddar burgers. Phew! Got the rice right here with the Anaheim peppers, cherry tomatoes, and the red hot peppers all from the garden right out in the front yard. Got these sausages nice and cut up. Appetizer for the boys. Drinking this Miller High Life. Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah.
Deal.
No one cheers them, dude. You gotta cheers them.
Back crabbing again. Just gonna go drop them. Got him with the jab. Oh! We're in luck, dude.
Oh, he's fighting.
Stir it up a little bit. Look at that big boy.
That's gnarly, dude.
Still a lot of bait.